When Lena started her first year at a technology company, she did not imagine that her closest coworker would be something without a physical body. Her team had recently begun using an advanced AI assistant named Aiden, designed to support employees with research, writing, scheduling, and data analysis. At first, Lena felt unsure. Could a machine truly understand her questions? Could it really help with complex tasks? On her first day, her manager assigned a project: prepare a market report about global consumer trends. Lena sat at her desk, opened her laptop, and hesitated before typing her first question to Aiden. To her surprise, the AI responded clearly, breaking down the topic into simple steps. It suggested which sources to read, how to structure her report, and even how to adjust the tone for different audiences. Lena felt relieved. Instead of replacing her thinking, Aiden made her ideas clearer. Over the next weeks, Lena discovered that many coworkers used AI differently. A designer asked Aiden for color palettes and layout suggestions. A developer used it to find bugs and rewrite code more efficiently. A teacher from the training department used it to create explanations for new employees learning technical terms. Lena began to see AI not as a threat, but as a new type of teammate, one that never got tired, never lost patience, and never judged. But Lena also wondered, if AI assistants became this powerful, how would they change the workplace, education, and even daily life in the long term? As AI assistants spread across the company, Lena noticed that not everyone felt comfortable. Some coworkers were afraid that too much dependence on AI would make people less creative. Others worried about data privacy or incorrect information. During a team meeting, her manager explained that AI was a tool, not a replacement for human thinking. It could support ideas but not make important decisions on its own. To help employees adapt, the company organized a workshop on responsible AI use. Lena attended eagerly. The speaker explained concepts such as bias, transparency, and digital responsibility. AI could generate powerful suggestions, but humans needed to evaluate them carefully. The workshop showed examples of misunderstandings caused by unclear prompts or incomplete information. Lena realized that using AI effectively required skill, judgment, and awareness. One day, Lena faced her first real challenge. She had to prepare a proposal for a major client, but the AI suggestions were too general. Instead of accepting them blindly, she learned to guide the AI with more precise questions. She combined her own research, her intuition, and the AI's structure to create a final draft. When she presented it, her manager praised the clarity and depth. Through this experience, Lena discovered something important. AI was not here to replace human intelligence. It was here to amplify it. The real strength came from the partnership between human creativity and machine efficiency. Still, she wondered what the future would look like when AI became even smarter. Months later, Lena joined a cross-department project exploring how AI could improve customer experience. She worked with designers, engineers, writers, and data scientists. Aiden helped the team analyze large amounts of customer feedback, identify patterns, and suggest content tailored to different audiences. Thanks to the AI assistant, the team finished tasks that once took weeks in only a few days. But the most surprising benefit was something Lena did not expect. AI helped people collaborate better. By handling repetitive tasks, it gave everyone more time to think, communicate, and solve deeper problems together. Instead of working separately, teammates shared ideas more freely because the AI had already taken care of the basic groundwork. Outside of work, Lena noticed AI assistants appearing everywhere, helping students study, supporting elderly people with reminders, translating languages in real time, and even assisting doctors with early diagnosis. The world was changing quickly, and solutions that once felt impossible were becoming normal parts of daily life. One evening, as she prepared her presentation for the company's annual meeting, Lena looked at Aiden's suggestions one last time. She realized that the rise of AI assistants was not simply a technological shift. It was a transformation of how people learned, worked, and communicated. The future would not belong to AI alone, nor to humans alone, but to those who understood how to collaborate with technology responsibly. As she closed her laptop, Lena felt confident. The rise of AI assistants was not the end of human creativity. It was the beginning of a new era, an era where knowledge, imagination, and innovation could grow faster than ever because humans and machines were learning to think together.